Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys, and look, it finally came. It finally came. My MS series twin disc clutch made by DKM. Here I'm going to do a full unboxing video for you guys, and also, just give you an idea of, what comes in the box and what comes with the components to make sure you have everything. And also I wanted to check the quality. I heard a lot of great things about the quality of this product, and I wanted to look at it firsthand, considering the fact that it's going in the car and I won't be able to really see it when I'm driving. I could just feel it with the clutch pedal. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you everything here. And then it's 8 o'clock in the morning right now, so I'm going to drive to Jersey to my boy Josh and my homegirl Lexi, and they're going to install this for me today. So let's jump into it. Let's go. Now, before we unbox this really quickly, I wanted to give you guys just a rundown of why we've come to this point of why we're changing the clutch in the car. The clutch that I previously had in the car before it went out was the South Bend Stage 2 Endurance clutch. That clutch was roughly around $1,500, and it lasted about 40,000 miles. Remember guys, I do a lot of autocross. I've done autocross all this season. And I also have done a couple of track days with the clutch. As you guys remember, I went to Urocasi in Canada, and I was able to race on a track there. Unfortunately, the clutch took a crap on July 8th at Cecil County Dragway. It was about 90-something degrees, and I was drag racing the car. And unfortunately, those torque numbers that I made then, I actually did an intercooler install and a couple other upgrades as well, and we revised the tune, and it makes around a little over 400 torque right now. And unfortunately, the powertrain, the first thing that's either going to go is the transmission or the clutch, and it's the clutch that decided to fail first. So transmission's fine. Definitely drove fine. I want to give another shout out to Josh and Lexi. They helped me out by figuring out what the issue was and getting a resolution to when this came in. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know now. I'm not sure about DKM's production lineup now. I heard it's gotten a little bit better, but this, it takes a while to get one of these. I think it takes about a month and a half to 2 months to get. So if you do need one, not now, but if you can hold out, order it now. So by the time you desperately need one, you should be in the time frame of it should be in the time frame of actually arriving at your home. And I would have went with this clutch originally, but this wasn't available when I first got the car. And I first got the South Bend put in the car. But and again, I'm not bashing South Bend or anything like that. It was it was just a matter of it's a wearable item, and I race with the car, so obviously it's the inevitable with that, as well as the fact that I exceeded the clutch levels. I'm sorry, I exceeded the power levels of torque levels of what that clutch can take over the course of time. But this clutch right here is a twin disc. It's not the MR series, it's the MS series, the Street Edition, and it still holds 600. I believe it's either 650 or 660 pound-feet of wheel torque to the wheels. I'm not planning to build a motor. It may happen, it may not happen, but that's not my plans as of now. So I'm never gonna see those torque levels. So this clutch should hold up extremely well. Retail price for this clutch is around $1,400. Already I'm $100 cheaper than the South Bend, and due to the fact that it holds more power in the clutch versus the South Bend, which holds around 400 pound-feet of torque, or actually 350 to 400 pound-feet of torque to the crank. It actually would make sense that this would be the better buy. Everyone, I know a couple people who have Golf Rs, and a person that has a GTI that has this clutch in their car, and they swear by it. They absolutely love it. and they said that, you know, just give it time to break in. It feels heavy at first, but give it time to break in and you should be fine. It's absolutely fantastic once you get used to it. And also this car, I mean this clutch is also in that ECS giveaway Mark 7.5 car as well. So if you do have his Mark 7.5 and you're trying to do mods, this clutch can work with that platform as well. It's the same motor, same trans as the Mark 7, so there should be no variation difference in regards to the clutch at all. And everyone who supported the fact of DKM, you know, reaching out to me and doing this, I appreciate it. You know, I do YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for a few years now, and this is what I do. I do product reviews on the Project Mark 7 so that you guys can make a decision, a good decision based on facts, based on installation process, based on, you know, my opinion on how the process is and how the product is on your Mark 7. So this way you're not trying to figure out on your own, well, should I buy that product or not? I'm rambling now. I'm rambling. I want to get this open. I want you guys to see what's in here. So you know what? Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in this box. Let's open her up. Okay. So far we have Loctite. I actually believe there's like these mini screws that hold, there's a plate that the clutch sits in between, and I believe that there's like 30 bolts for that. Oh, maybe this is for the flywheel, I doubt it, but I'm not too sure. We got Loctite here. I opened this earlier, so don't be alarmed. You know, the packaging, I opened it earlier just to make sure everything was in here, but so I can show it to you guys. You get a DKM sticker banner if you wanted to put that on your vehicle. All right, here's the limited warranty information, and look, they give you really good guide installation instructions. It gives you all the tools that you'll need, components that should come with it, the clutch and all the other stuff that comes with it as well. And it gives you really good detailed information as well as pictures. You know, it's pretty cool that you do have something like this. And also I believe this is in another language. This is in German if you need it, if obviously, you know, if you needed to have instructions. So these are the bolts. These are some bolts that you will need. I believe this is for the pressure plate. I'm not too sure, but they even give you the tool that you'll need to install these bolts. So, chill. I've never seen this before where like companies give you the actual tool to actually install the bolts so you can get it done. That's cool. These are the flywheel bolts. I know these for sure. These are the flywheel bolts here. Different head on these. Looks like maybe like a triple square or something, but got those. This is your tool to actually, your align tool. So when you put the clutch on the flywheel, and you actually put the flywheel on, you put the clutch on, then you put the plate, and then you put the second clutch on, then you put the pressure plate on. You need to align everything. So this will align right to everything. And it's plastic too. I believe it's plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. This is not staying. This is not a part of the installation. Oh, it is a part of the installation, but this doesn't stay in. This doesn't stay in the actual, you know, car. This is just to align everything. Once you bolt everything up, you slip this out, and then, you know, you'd be good to go. The transmission will actually line up into this. So this is just for the fact that the transmission, when you put it back in, the spindle or the actual shaft that comes out of the transmission lines up with everything correctly. So you have that. I need to give you a little DKM plaque too. Come on, there we go. Very nice. This is nice. Ooh. All right, so now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. So let's take a look at the actual clutch. Wow. I mean, I know I've seen it already, but seeing it again, wow. Here's the throwout bearing that you'll need. This is for the actual clutch pedal. This actually pushes against the pressure plate like that, or like that. I'm not sure, but it pushes against the pressure plate so that everything clamps together so you can, you know, be on your way. And then you have the clutch. So it's a big boy, so probably take a while to get out. The twin disc clutch. Let me get some scissors real quick. We're gonna open this up real quick. We're just gonna open it up briefly at the top, take it out, show you guys what it's all about. Wow. This is very well put together. As you can see, it looks a little bit more robust. Let me take this paper out. There you go. Looks a little bit more robust than your normal clutch because it is a little thicker due to the fact that you have this flywheel, but it's like a whole casing. It covers the whole thing, and then this pressure plate bolts onto the actual flywheel, and then your clutches and everything are in between. So this is pretty cool to see. Also on the top of the box here, you do have something that says, you know, obviously this is attention in German, and on the bottom you have attention, and then they give you a little bit. See, like stuff like this is sound to make me cool because it's kind of like they go the extra mile to make sure that, you know, you do everything correctly. They tell you what to do, they tell you what not to do, how to do it, how not to do it, you know, and they give you an idea of how everything's supposed to be tightened up on the bottom here. So this is pretty cool. Little you know, little instructions here, so that's pretty cool as well. And yeah, so we're actually going to go ahead and install this in the car. I'm going to make this a two-part video because I don't want it to be super long. I wanted to give you an unboxing. I wanted to give you a separate video for this just because of the fact that I heard a lot of good things about it, and I wanted you guys to have this experience of seeing, you know, seeing what you'll get in the package, the quality of everything. And yeah, so guys, this is going to conclude this video of the DKM unboxing of this clutch. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next video of the installation. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. And that's going to conclude this video. And remember guys, one more thing. Cars are a lifestyle. Take care.